Can I eat in restaurants? Yes, of course you can eat in restaurants. You just have to be more aware of what you're ordering. So good choices to order include meat dishes such as steak, no gravy or sauce, and salads. Be aware of dressings as they may have hidden carbs and sugars. Ask for olive oil or mayonnaise for you to dress your dish yourself. Avoid ketchup and opt for something like mustard instead. And guys, don't be afraid to be picky and ask about the ingredients in your meal. Alternatively, tell the chef, ideally in advance, your requirements and let them suggest something for you. If you really can't avoid the carbohydrates when eating out, get some activity in, like going for a walk after your meal so your body can burn at least some of the carbs instead of storing them as fat. Now, below are some great quick tips when eating out based on cuisines. I'm going to start with Indian. You should probably avoid dal or any dishes with lentils, potatoes or rice. Go for meat or fish-based curries. Tandoori or tikka dishes with vegetables such as korma or tandoori are great, and ask specifically for your dish to be made without sugar, as they often slip it into mild and sweet dishes. Next up is Italian. So you can choose meat, fish or seafood based meals with non-starchy vegetables such as steamed, grilled, fried or fresh, or salads. Remember, extra virgin olive oil is your friend, along with balsamic vinegar or mayonnaise as dressings. Remember, avoid pasta and any dough-based items such as pizza. Japanese. So obviously you want to stay away from sushi because it does have rice in it. So ask for sashimi or egg omelets and always avoid the noodles. German. So go for meat-based dishes such as tartare steak or sausages. Avoid the bread completely. Vietnamese. Avoid noodles. Order a salad or a meat-based meal that doesn't have a sugary sauce. Greek. Greek is a great option for eating out on keto. It's probably my favorite keto cuisine. Choose a meat, fish, or seafood-based dish. Avoid pita bread and fries. Turkish. You can have kebabs served on a plate instead of in the bread. Order it with vegetables on the side. Chinese. Avoid the sweet sauces, guys. Choose egg or meat-based dishes with non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, seafood or fish soups without noodles, or even crispy duck without pancakes is okay. Mexican. Go for salads or meat-based dishes and avoid tortillas and beans completely.